In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Connect Stripe to Payhip. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can start accepting payments smoothly on your Payhip store using Stripe. Make sure you're already signed up for Payhip and ideally that you have access to a Stripe account as well or are ready to create one. First, go ahead and log into your Payhip dashboard. Once you're in, look towards the top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see a menu labeled Account. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose Settings. This will open your main account settings page inside Payhip. On this page, you'll notice several different tabs or sections. These are where you manage various parts of your Payhip account. For this tutorial, we want to set up how you get paid. So look for the tab labeled Payment Details and click it. This is where Payhip shows you all the payment methods you can connect. After the Payment Details section loads, you'll see a list of available payment options. Among them, find Stripe. On the right side of Stripe, there should be a button that says Connect. Click that button to start the connection process between Payhip and Stripe. When you click Connect, a pop-up will appear near the top center of your screen with two main choices. If you already have a Stripe account, select the option that says something like Connect Your Account. This tells Stripe that you want to link your existing account to Payhip. If you don't have a Stripe account yet and you want to register for one, choose the option to sign up for Stripe instead. Stripe will guide you through creating a new account with your business and banking details. In this example, we'll focus on connecting an existing Stripe account. After choosing to connect your account, the page will reload and take you to a Stripe hosted screen. Here, Stripe may ask you to log in with your email and password. Enter a code from your authentication app or text message, or simply select from a list of accounts if you already have one set up. Once you've confirmed the correct Stripe account, click the button to connect or authorize. Stripe will process that request, and you might see a message saying you're being redirected back to Payhip. Wait for the page to reload. When you return to the Payhip payment details page, you should now see that your Stripe account is successfully connected.